Hi, my name is Rohit, and everybody know that I'm a bike mechanic and a photographer, and I'm doing a bike mechanic at a one bike, Tanzania, and for now it's like 3 years of the experience. Oh no, it's like 2 years and a half of experience for the bike mechanic. Yes, for the first time was so hard to learning. I was studying like how to fix the flat tire and a lot of the basic things for the bike, but for the first time for sure was so a little bit so hard to be honest. But to be a real pro, you need to have a real passion about organizing.